I'm Avery Yoakum.
I'm Hadley Hertz.
And I'm Morgan McCoy.
And today it's a challenge. You can do it!
I'm Avery Yoakum.
I'm Hadley Hertz, and we're signing out. Spread unity. Hello.
I got it. Stop the recording.
So
we have to figure out what we did.
we can also cut the video. So she's going, I'm Avery Yoakum.
Me first?
Yeah.
Keeper! 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 Keeper!
Now, spread unity.
Oh, right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, yeah.
So, Mindy, I know you're familiar with the word unity, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the word?
You gotta be like talking down on the phone.
Ready? You suck.
No. Oh my God, wow. We could have felt like this. I didn't know it went.
What? This is what you should do.
Walking through the hall. It's very crowded. It's very crowded. Hi. And now we have to go back to class.
Thank you.
For listening to. Oh, you already have one.
Yeah, I already have.
We made it back to class.
Guys, we made it by all the chaos.
Yeah, there was so much chaos. So, but we're leaving now. So, bye.